So we just finished breakfast on board our ship, and we actually have a free morning, which we're kind of unsure what to do with ourselves because we're so used to like, go, 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 go see all the things. So I think we're going to explore the ship a little bit. Is that the consensus?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. See what's upstairs.
Yeah. So
Got the deck.
we'll go explore the ship. That's our room right there. So the ship isn't really big, but it just goes up the Nile, so it doesn't need to be like huge. That's the gym right there. It's just a treadmill and a stationary bike. Nice little pool, great little sun deck, a beautiful view of the Nile. And yeah, we're gonna kind of spend our free morning at leisure, and then we sail to Kom Ombo, and we'll go visit the Kom Ombo temple, and that's the itinerary for today. So we came back to the room, and this was left for us. And I feel bad, like Jeremy and I aren't, yeah. I'm starting to feel like I just got the ring so that I would get hassled less. I didn't realize that, I feel bad. So our cruise has set sail, and the next stop is Kom Ombo. The nice thing about traveling in a smaller group is that we don't have to wait for everybody. Just us. Sure. Oh gosh, there's...
I'm gonna leave you with the cobra. Okay?
You're gonna leave us with the cobras? Oh goodness.
Come and hold it.
No, thank you.
Come on, one touch.
That's Cleopatra and her mom. Cleopatra all the way back here to the Ptolemy era. Ptolemy era. Kom Ombo temple dates back to the Ptolemy era, and it was divided into two between Sobek, the crocodile god, and Haeroris, the falcon god. They were fighting, and the goddess of justice came down and divided the temple between the two of them. So one side, they actually used to mummify crocodiles. We just looked at the crocodile mummification museum, and it was like crazy. There were so many like humongous crocodiles. And then Haeroris, who of course was in the other temple, and the falcon god. And on his side, it actually showed his lion eating hands of his enemies, which of course were in the shape of crocodiles. We are on our way to the Edfu temple, and the best way to go is by horse-drawn carriage. An entire wall of the god Haeroris trying to capture the god scent. Do you really have 20 million camels?
I give you money.
So this is the Luxor temple. Our cruise ship is right over there that we're staying on tonight, and we're sailing across the Nile on a little boat to a restaurant where we're gonna go have a couple drinks. Go check out the local scene.